6 weeks ago, the RPM on one of my channels was between $0.5 to $1.2, but right now the RPM on the same channel is between $36 to $49, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy I used and how you can apply that to your channel. But before I do that, let me tell you about Shopify.
Just getting started? Shopify makes it easy to set up your online store. Choose a theme, customize it to best represent your brand. Then add your products, manage your inventory, track your orders, get 24/7 support, everything you need to launch your business today, now. Already built your brand? Now it's time to think bigger, way bigger. Shopify can help you expand into new sales channels so you can put your products in front of millions of shoppers while you market and sell your products, all from one place. Ready to bring your brand into the real world? Shopify is ready for that too. With a retail point of sale solution that lets you sell in stores, or markets, or pop-up events, wherever your customers find you, you'll be there to make the sale. Need to raise capital for your next big idea? Funding is now just a few clicks away. Stock up on inventory, hire new talent, expand to new locations, launch that new ad campaign. Anything's possible with Shopify Capital. Your funding will be available almost instantly. And with Shopify Payments, immediately accept credit cards, other popular payment methods, even different currencies. It's the fastest checkout experience possible, converting shoppers into customers. Your idea, your business, your future. Powered by Shopify.
A lot of YouTube channels fall under the AdSense lowest paying category and receive peanuts as RPM. Take for example MrBeast channel. His RPM usually falls below the $1 mark, but because he gets hundreds of millions of views on every video, his revenue per video gets significantly higher. But what if you are not MrBeast and you don't get millions of views? How do you increase your AdSense RPM? Is there even anything like that? At the end of this video, if you implement everything I will teach you today, you will watch your AdSense revenue go from this to this. This is a mind-blowing strategy I discovered recently and I'm currently implementing across all my channels. There are actually two ways of increasing your RPM up to 40 times what it already is. Make sure you write this down cause it's one piece of information you cherish forever. Let's talk about the first strategy. The first strategy is called the light method. This requires you to show the algorithm what you want it to know. In other words, telling it what type of ads you want it to show on your videos. How do you do this? Simple, by adding selected keywords to your video titles, descriptions and tags. If you want your videos to show ads about investing, you have to use investing keywords such as how to make money online, investing for beginners, business and investing, etc. You are doing this to feed the algorithm with words that it will use to determine the type of ads that will be placed on your videos. If you want ads about real estate, then you are going to have to use words like housing, real estate, housing agent, houses for sale and all that. But there is a disadvantage. Remember, YouTube suggests videos to viewers based on your title and description and also tags. So imagine you posted a cooking video titled how to make orange juice, and at the end of that video title you added a keyword like real estate. Sometimes the algorithm gets confused with these things and could make potential errors when it comes to suggesting these videos to the right audience. Because it detected a real estate keyword in your title, it will push your video to people who are interested in real estate, and when these people come across these videos in their home feed or suggested page, they won't click on it because they are not interested in making orange juice for anyone, not even themselves, but I'm sure they will love to have some. Viewers not wanting to click or watch your videos will only pass one message to the algorithm: this video is not good for consumption, stop suggesting it. And that's exactly what the algorithm will do. What am I trying to say? It's not 100% effective. It could hurt your channel's click-through rate and retention, and in a worst case scenario, you could lose your monetization when YouTube finds out. So what do you do in this case? That's where the second strategy comes in. The second strategy is what I call the brutal method. This is a more advanced and highly effective strategy that requires you to show and tell the algorithm what you actually want it to know. Unlike the first strategy, this method is organic and won't get you into trouble with YouTube. This is how it works. Unlike the first method, this one requires you to simply do a free advert of any of your affiliate affiliates with a high paying CPM and sharing your affiliate links in those videos. Don't just pick any brand without doing your research. I'm talking about any brand that offers subscription based services, because that is where the money is. Did you notice what I did in the opening segment of this video? I literally talked about Shopify. This video is not related to Shopify in any way, and I was never paid by Shopify to promote their brand, but I was simply promoting my affiliate link and also indirectly telling the algorithm the kind of ads that would be suitable for my videos. In case you didn't know, the algorithm hears what you say in your videos and uses that information to also suggest the best audience and ad type for your video. Ever wondered how YouTube is able to create automatic captions for your videos? Because they can hear and understand you. This method is safer, and I'm pretty sure YouTube won't regard it as deceptive practices. There is one great benefit of promoting brands for free on your channel, especially if you have a large audience. You see, when you keep calling out and tagging these businesses on your channel, your videos will eventually get to them, and there's a 50% chance they would reach out to you with an offer. They've been watching your videos and seen you promote their services for free on your channel. You've literally been giving them more visibility. So if there's anyone who's going to be a better brand ambassador, it should be you. What I'm trying to say is, talk about your affiliate brands and share your links. One of two things must happen. It's either YouTube shows high RPM ads on your videos, or you earn affiliate commissions. It's a win-win scenario. I always tell you, YouTube is not hard. You just don't know how to make it work for you.